In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text when you hover over an image in Wix. This is a great way to add interactions to your website and make it visually appealing while conveying essential information to your visitors. To start, let's head over to the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find an option labeled Add Elements. Click on this. Once you're there, look for the box option. After clicking on Box, you'll see an option for hover boxes. Simply drag and drop a hover box onto your site. Hover boxes are versatile tools that allow for rich interactions, making them perfect for adding text over images. With our hover box now on the canvas, we want a fresh slate to work with. So, if you want to start from scratch, go ahead and delete all the initial contents from the hover box. This gives you a clean starting point to create your unique design. Now that we have our fresh hover box ready to go, it's time to add an image. Once again, go back to Add Elements. This time, select Image. Choose an image from your library or upload a new one if necessary. Drag this image into the hover box, and once you see the prompt that says Attach Image, you can let go. This action effectively places the image inside your hover box. Adjust the image and hover box to fit perfectly. It might require a little tweaking, either making the image fit the hover box or adjusting the hover box to match the image's dimensions. Don't hesitate to find a balance that works best for your design. Next, switch over to the Hover tab within the hover box. This is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side, click on Add to Hover. This will give you several options. Select Text, and then drag a text template into the hover box. You'll probably notice the text box appear on your screen. This is where you can customize the message that will show up upon hovering. Take some time to edit the text. You can change the font, size, and color to match your site's design. And also, consider adjusting the spacing and alignment to make it visually pleasing. Once you're satisfied with your text design, it's a good idea to test it out. In the upper right corner, you'll find a Preview button. Click on this to see how your new hover text interacts with the image on your site. Make sure everything looks and behaves just the way you want, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a hover text feature to an image on your Wix site, enhancing user experience with just a handful of clicks. Happy designing!